Salitral at Arlington Road Boat Ramp. Hi amigos, I am at the Arlington Road Boat Ramp located at 5130 Arlington Road in Jacksonville, Florida. The Duval County opened the boat ramp sometime between 1956 and 1965, during a period when the county's recreational facilities increased dramatically. The completion of a major improvement project in 1995 included the installation of a floating dock, bulkhead renovations, new fencing, signs, and more. The Arlington Road Ramp provides excellent access to the downtown area by water and is well used by recreational boaters and some commercial fishermen. The Arlington Marina offers covered dry storage for vessels up to 28 feet in length, wet storage for vessels up to 40 feet in length, fueling, hull services, marine parts, and accessories. This is a great place to see the St. Johns River. It is free to launch your boat as well. Well amigos, gotta go. Started to rain. See you soon. Bye bye.